Welcome to Wavelink, and guess who's beside of me? You don't have to guess, you can see. Anthony Cruz. Welcome to Wavelink, Anthony. How you doing?
Sashka, acting up the place, taking over Jamaica.
Well, I'm doing my thing.
Yes.
So let me remind you people, Friday the 8th was International Women's Day. Let me ask Anthony, tell me where you do special.
Well, first of all, I send out a tweet to all the women from my baby. You know, my mother passed away, so I never really get to wish her mother's Women's Day, but you don't know, in my heart, you know, my daughter, you know, all the female in my family, my friends, and I wish you.
Thank you, never too late. And I hope everybody out there make the female them feel a little extra special, because you know, female without it can't have Mother Earth. Alright, so Anthony, tell them about yourself, what is going on?
Well, basically we're there, you know, we're back in the streets. We took a little break and we're back in the streets right now. We have some new singles that drop at we have a new one named Mother and Daughter where I take over the whole world right now.
I love it. Stay tuned, so see it.
Yeah, so we just shot a video for a new singer named Don't Test We, and in this video we have two of the biggest sound systems in Jamaica clashing, so it's like a movie. Mad.
Alright, let me tell you what's up with Twitter and Facebook discussion. So listen to question and Sashka Production Facebook. When an artist portrays to be bad, is it really so, or are they creating a hype for their image? Nana Jamar Ice says creating a hype for their image, while Romain Taylor says it can be both of it because some of them got through it as well. Twitter has said the same thing. I'm going to ask the question to Anthony Cruz.
Well, I think for both reasons, because you really have some people where feel like them to live out a certain thing through the music, but that wouldn't be a good idea. You understand? Because music is about educating and teaching people and uplifting people. So if you're a bad man, you know, say the music give you an opportunity now to change your life over and make a better life and make some money where you can help your family and things. So, you know, choose are out there.
So yeah, it's a positive.
Of course, man, definitely.
Definitely positive. So when I tell you, Anthony Cruz. All right, favorite 10 to 8 songs.
You know it's ED, star of the hit movie Out the Gate, the dancehall celebrity, and you're in luck with Wavelink. Keep it locked. ED says so it goes.
See the most exciting program to hit cable TV. We have the artists, we have the songs, and we have the stimulating conversation. Watch as we touch base with members of the music industry and hear their varying views. Listen as new tunes are played and rated. Become absorbed by the views on the street. Get interactive with us and share your own take on the issues.